video on importing points. So the first thing to do here is when you're in Carlson, this is Carlson 2025, and I like to use the ribbon, so I'm going to go with that methodology. You can also do the same thing up here under the menu bar. That's fine. I'm just going to go import text ASCII file, and I'm going to go select files, and here's where you get into other videos that'll talk about how to organize your projects and all these kind of things. Right now I'm just going to browse out here to my set of files where I have everything organized here, and I'm going to go ahead and insert these points right here and click open, and we'll use these right here and then say open. So then you can see here it's got the selection of different, in the preview window it shows me the different points and so on. There's other videos on best practices with this and how to make sure you've got the right points and sorting points and using Excel. But for right now, I'm just using the points. I already know that they're sorted out like I want them to be. This is what I received from my data collector. And so this right here is PYXZD, which is point number Y. When it shows over here, Y is the northing, X is the easting, and Z is the elevation. Those are all probably pretty logical for us. And description is D. So everything's pretty much set up. There's point groups we can get into. That's another video, and so on. So there's a lot of different things, places you can go with this. But I'm just going to use the defaults pretty much all the way through here, and click OK. And now the first thing it wants to do, if it doesn't find a CRD, which in Carlson a CRD is a coordinate file, and it needs to have some kind of a coordinate file in order to operate with points. So there's a lot of ways of managing that. Another video again on its own. But it's going to import points into a coordinate file. What it does is it defaults to the name of the file that you used before. In this case, it picked up the points file that I used, the text file, and called that the CRD. If I want it to be different, I could actually name this the same as my project, which is over here. So I could actually do it like that and call it, in fact, I think I'll do that in this case. So 24-121. Santa Quinn, and then call it good. That's the name of my CRD file. So then that matches my drawing file, or my project name is probably more like it, is what I really want it to do. And number. It says it doesn't exist. It says, well, this doesn't exist, so now do you want to create one? And I go, just yes, I want to create one. Adds the points in, 81 points to add. This is how they all come in. This is just by default. I didn't do anything else to it. It just came in this way, without doing anything else. So the points are in here. They're in the file. Another way of looking at this is go list points and click on the CRD, click open, and it lists all my points. There's 500 to 580, or I can click on all and click OK, and then there's my points there.